Globally, there are hardly any men in this movement, and in India, there is a special scarcity of it. What do you think is the reason why men scare away from a word like feminist, where they are quite alright with words like murder, rape and stuff? They would not be so afraid of using it or explaining it. But something which you explained so simply as feminism, they would think 3 times and probably still not come up with an answer and shy away from it. What is that weightage? What is
It's very interesting to look at how feminism and the history of feminism is perceived by people who are not part of it. It is like the demonization of the other, which is feminism, because there is this whole history of, bra burning feminists, which I was continuously fed when I was growing up and I was in college and school. And then, you actually read real history and realized that no bras were ever burnt unless they were really bad bras. I think it's just like that whenever we talk about gender or we talk about feminism, we assume that it has all things to do with only women and has nothing to do with men, and that it is about telling men that they're really bad or they're really, really evil and they should change the way they are. In the work that I've done with young men particularly, and you're right, there are few men, but in the way we are approaching men now as feminists, and there is a really good movement that people are trying to build in India to have feminist men, which basically means not feminist men leading women's work, but feminist men giving up the power, giving up the leadership, giving up positions of privilege to say that there is something to be said for women's leadership, and it is very important as a concern and as an area to be developed. So I think in terms of how men engage with feminism, feminism is a great way for men to think about how patriarchy and patriarchal values oppress them. So how patriarchy oppresses me into telling me that this is the only way that I can be a man. And if I can start challenging that stereotype of being a man, a masculine, macho, aggressive man, which is the only stereotype that I've been given by the society, if I can start using feminism to challenge that, I think automatically the situation and the way we look at violence across genders will change, and it will be a much better way of approaching values of equality and society in general.